Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with eToro CopyTrader. Review my usage experience. eToro CopyTrader allows you to automatically copy the trades of successful investors on the eToro platform. It's designed for both beginners who want to learn from experienced traders and seasoned investors looking to diversify their portfolio. Key features include the ability to select traders based on their performance, risk score, and asset allocation. Their website provides details on how to get started and choose the right traders to copy. eToro emphasizes ease of use and transparency. While specific pricing depends on your trading activity, there are no hidden fees, and you only pay standard trading commissions. The platform utilizes a proprietary algorithm to mirror the trades of selected professionals, making it accessible even to those with limited trading knowledge. Availability is global, accessible to most regions where eToro operates. You can check their website for specific regional availability. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using eToro CopyTrader. Getting started was a breeze. Signing up and linking my account took less than 5 minutes. The interface is quite intuitive, even for someone like me who isn't a professional trader. I spent some time browsing the profiles of different traders, checking their performance history and risk scores before selecting a few to copy. I particularly liked the detailed analytics provided for each trader. Initially, I started with copying 2 traders with different investment strategies, and it was really interesting to see how their approaches differed. I monitored my portfolio regularly through the eToro platform, which provided updates on the trades being executed and their overall impact. The platform's performance was reliable. I experienced no significant delays or glitches. I had a quick question about adjusting the copy settings, and their support responded within a day via email, a pleasant surprise. One minor drawback was the somewhat limited options for customization beyond the basic settings. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience with eToro CopyTrader. It's given me exposure to a variety of investment strategies without the need for constant hands-on management, something I've been looking for. It's a great option for anyone who wants to participate in the market with minimal effort but also under the expert guidance of seasoned traders. That's my overview of eToro CopyTrader. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.